Running is the third and final discipline in a triathlon and holds a significant place in the competition. We frequently hear the phrase, bike for show, run for dough in triathlons since the run is so crucial to the race's outcome. Many triathletes are already super exhausted from swimming and cycling by the time the run portion of the event arrives, and they must call on all of their remaining reserves. As a result, seasoned triathletes train specifically for the scenario. How you run has a huge impact on where you finish in a race, and how you run is determined by your endurance and strength. Running is very closely related to injuries, despite its importance. According to research, 60 to 80% of runners will suffer an injury over their 12-month training cycle. Although some of the injuries are severe, such as a twisted ankle, the majority are overuse injuries caused by increased training load or doing too much too quickly. To build the necessary endurance, strength, and speed, triathletes must put in a lot of training to improve their running time. Sometimes overdoing the training can result in injuries. In today's video, we will be talking about the most common and basic of these injuries, the runner's knee. We'll also provide you with some tips on how to avoid this common ailment. So, what is a runner's knee exactly? It's not a specific condition, but rather a common term, used to describe any issues around the kneecap, which is also called the patella. The term runner's knee refers to a variety of conditions that cause pain around the patella. These illnesses include anterior knee discomfort syndrome, patellofemoral malalignment, Chondromalacia Patella, and iliotibial band syndrome. Running, as the name suggests, is a common cause of a runner's knee. But any action that consistently strains the knee joint can lead to this condition. So it is not just running that can cause a runner's knee. Activities like walking, skiing, riding, leaping, cycling, and soccer are all examples of activities that can cause major damage to your knee. Apart from overuse, there are additional circumstances in which the condition may develop. It can be caused by a direct hit to the knees or the malalignment of your bones. It can also occur from the way you walk or run, which puts a lot of strain on your knees. Your thigh muscles can potentially put your knees in danger. There is also a condition called Chondromalacia Patella. In this, the cartilage under the kneecap breaks down, causing serious problems for the knee. Now, how will you know if you have developed a runner's knee? The most basic reaction when anything goes wrong with our bodies is the feeling of consistent pain. The same can be said about the runner's knee. The most common symptom of runner's knee is a dull, aching discomfort around or behind the kneecap, or patella, especially when it connects to the lower section of the thigh bone or femur. It's possible that the area around your knee will swell, or that you'll hear a cracking or grinding sensation in your knee. If you get this condition, your body will try to send you all these red signals. Let's move on to what you can do to avoid this problem now. Yes, it can be treated, but why wait for treatment if you can easily avoid this? As you already know, prevention is better than the cure. In a day, a week, or even a year, you cannot become an exceptional triathlete. It takes years and years of practice to get where the top athletes are today. It is a gradual process. There are steps midway where you reach first and then only move on to the next. This is something you should keep in mind as you train. Be gentle with your body. It has its limits and you should respect them. These limits are pushed gradually, one training session at a time. Any sudden push might give you problems like runner's knee. So remember to respect the limits of your body when you go to train next time. Stretch your knee muscles. Always do a little warm-up before jogging, followed by some stretching. The quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves are important muscle groups to focus on if you're concerned about your knees. Contracting the opposing muscle group at the same time can help you stretch those muscles more effectively. Try contracting your quadriceps while stretching your hamstrings, for example. Strengthen your core and leg muscles. It's crucial to strengthen not only the hamstrings and quadriceps, but also the core and glutes. Plyometric strength, which involves jumping or explosive actions, can also help prevent injuries. Try some exercises like squats, lunges, and farmer's walks. The glute muscle is also very important for any athlete. Improving the flexibility and strength of this muscle helps to relieve a lot of pressure off the knee joint. One workout for your glutes that you can do at home is a lying glute stretch. The ice break. If your knees hurt after a run, try icing them. Many professional athletes adopt a strategy that involves sitting in freezing water for 5 to 10 minutes, or more if tolerated. It is recommended that you get medical advice before attempting this. Technique matters. Technique is important, regardless of which sport you are participating in. It is very important to know how to run in order to ensure that no extra force is getting into your knees. Proper technique can have a big impact on how your body handles your movements. For example, if you're jogging slumped over, bending at the waist, or overextending your legs, your body will respond with joint pain and a loss of energy. By practicing excellent skills, you can learn to spend energy wisely, exercise efficiently, and avoid many workout-related injuries. Keeping hydrated and using good quality gear also plays a part in how your knees respond to challenging situations. You can also include different types of cardio into your workout. This can assist in reducing repetitive strain. Cycling is one option. You can also try circuit training at home. These were some of the tips that you can use to take better care of your knees and avoid overuse injuries like the runner's knee. That ends our video for today. We do hope that you liked the video, and if you did, you must hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and staying with me up until the end. We at Triathlon Global Insights keep you updated on triathlon news, incredible races, training tips, and information about pro athletes. You may like, subscribe, and press that notification bell so that you'll be updated on my next upload. Adios!